Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Maha Shirazi, your computer teacher, and today we are starting the chapter number 5, that is computer networks. Types of networks. A variety of computer networks exist based on the geographical distance covered and the type of topology used. Local area network. Local area network is commonly used network. It is a network that covers a limited area, usually ranging from a small office to a campus of nearby buildings. Examples of LAN include networks within a school, college, business, and organization. Characteristics of LAN. LAN is restricted to a limited geographical area. Data transmission speed is fast. Data communication problems rarely occur. Transmission medium is owned by the user organization. Wide area network. Wide area network spans a large area, connecting several locations of an organization across cities, countries, and continents. A WAN is often made up of two or more LAN or MAN at each connection of the organization, and these LANs might be connected together to form a WAN. Example of WAN are the network used in banks, airlines, and national databases authorities like NADRA in Pakistan. Internet is another good example of WAN, a wide area network. Characteristics of WAN. WAN spans large geographical area. It can connect computers between cities and countries. Data transmission speed is low. Data communication problems often occur. Transmission medium is leased line or public systems such as telephone lines or satellite links. Metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network falls between LAN and WAN. It spans area larger than a LAN but smaller than WAN. A metropolitan area network used by telecommunication companies providing cable, TV, and internet services. MAN can connect computer within several blocks of buildings to entire city. Data transmission speed is slower than LAN but faster than WAN. Fiber optic cable or wireless microwave transmission is used as communication medium. Personal area network. A personal area network is a computer network organized around an individual person. Personal area networks typically involve a mobile computer or a cell phone or a handheld computing device such as PDA. Users can these networks to transfer files including emails, calendar appointments, photos, and audio-video files. Personal area networks can be wired or wireless. USB and Wi-Fi technologies often link together a wire PAN, while wireless PANs typically use Bluetooth or sometimes infrared connections. Bluetooth network. The process of setting up a Bluetooth network is referring as to pairing. Pairing is done through interconnection between the users, and the user interaction is required to confirm the identity of the devices. When pairing process completes, a network forms between the two devices, and now the devices can communicate with each other. It is possible to pair one device to multiple other devices. Bluetooth creates a secure network. A Bluetooth network connecting various Bluetooth devices is shown. Characteristics of Bluetooth communication. Bluetooth transmission eliminates the need of cable to form a network. Transmission is secure, reliable, and fast. It creates personal area network in which Bluetooth devices are close to each other, and it can transmit text, images, audio files, and video files. Internet. International network. Internet is the largest computer network that connects millions of computers all over the world. Computers on the internet are connected together using telephone lines, fiber optics, or wireless signals. Each computer on the internet has an IP address. IP stands for Internet Protocol. It defines each computer on the internet with its location. Internet has brought a huge revolution in our daily life. It allows people to send email, chat with friends around the world, and obtain information on any topic. Computer users pay bills, do shopping, find jobs, work at home, and do reservation for trains, flights, and hotels through internet. Social networking websites such as Facebook and Twitter allow millions of people all over the world to communicate with each other and share their views and ideas. www, World Wide Web. In short, the most popular and widely used system to access the internet. It is a collection of websites available on the internet. A website contains related web pages that can be accessed using a browser such as Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. To access a website, computer user enter a string of characters called Uniform Resource Locator (URL) into a browser. For example, to access the website of Federal Board, the user will enter the URL www.fbise.gov.pk into a browser. Network topology. The physical arrangement of network nodes is called network topology. A node represents a computer or a network device. Types of network topologies. There are 4 types of network topologies commonly used, which are bus, ring, star, and mesh. Bus topology. It is the simplest network topology. It consists of a single central cable known as bus. All the devices are connected to the bus along its length to communicate with each other. A computer sends a message on the bus, and the computer to whom the message is sent receives it while others ignore it. At each end of the bus, there is a device called terminator is attached so that the signals do not bounce back on the bus, causing errors. Advantages of bus topology. Lowest cost topology to implement due to short cable length. Easy to add new computers, easy to set up as compared to star or mesh topology, suitable for small networks. Limitation of bus topology. If bus is damaged at any point, the entire network stops working. Difficult to detect and fix faults. Ring topology. The ring topology is shaped just like a ring. It is like a bus with both ends connected together. All the messages travel in the same direction. Message from one node is sent to the next node. It is received by it if the address is to otherwise it is ignored and passed on to the next until the destination is reached. Advantages of ring topology. High network performance. Server or switch is not required to manage the network. All the computers have equal opportunity to transmit data. Limitations of ring topology. If ring is broken at any point, the entire network stops functioning. Detection of fault is difficult. If any computer in the ring is not working, the whole network is affected. Expensive than star or bus topology. Star topology. In star topology, all the nodes are connected to a central device called switch or hub as shown in the figure. It is one of the most commonly used network topologies. A switch can connect 4, 8, 16, 24 or 32 nodes. A switch can be connected to another switch to expand the network. Advantages of star topology. Provides fast communication between computers, easy to connect new devices to the network, easy to detect and fix fault. Failure of one computer does not stop functioning of the entire network. Limitations of star topology. At least one switch hub is required for connecting two computers. Lengthy cable is required to connect all the computers through the switch, costly to implement. Mesh topology. In mesh network topology, all the network nodes are connected to all the other nodes as shown. Messages sent on a mesh network can take any possible path from source to destination. It is not commonly used since it is costly and difficult to implement. Advantages of mesh topology. It is the most reliable network topology. Alternative paths are available in the case path it's broken from source to destination. Limitation of mesh topology. Most expensive topology to implement since it requires more cable than bus, ring or star topologies. Difficult to implement as compared to other topologies and difficult to add a new computer. So this was all about your lesson today. Now I hope so it will be easy for you to complete your exercise, your objective type questions. So complete it on time and try to solve it on your copies. Okay? Take care of yourself, stay at home and Allah Hafiz.